Moving on, the South African National Treasury has denied an application by Eskom to appoint a construction firm to finalize emergency repairs at its Camden Power Station, which will cost $14 million. Eskom says it will cost more to keep the lights on if the project does not proceed. Details of this and other stories in today's Africa Business Wrap.
Adding further confusion was that the decision was not applied equally to two other deviations for the same project for the appointment of an independent environmental officer through Leroy Construction, which was also declined, while Treasury approved a deviation for the consulting engineering firm JG Africa, which was overseeing the construction work. A memorandum from Naresh Singh, the General Manager for Coal and Clean Technology, said that the National Treasury response indicates, however, inconsistencies in decision-making as reflected in the approval of one and not the other two, all of which had precisely the same background and circumstances. Meanwhile, Nigeria's business-to-business payments platform Virto has announced that it has closed $10 million in Series A funding for expansion. The round was led by Corner Capital, a fintech-focused venture capital firm, with participation from the Treasury, Middle East Venture Partners, UK-based TMT Investments, Unicorn Growth Capital, Ross Investment Management, and P1 Ventures. The startup allows small and medium-sized enterprises to make payments to their suppliers. It was founded in 2019 by Ola Oyetayo and Anthony Oduwole and provides a fast, simple and reliable way for SMEs to make payments to their suppliers in over 200 countries within 39 currencies. Finally, Algerian President Abdelmadjid Tebboune on Sunday ordered his government to reduce tax on overall income amid soaring food prices in the drought-hit North African country. Avoiding social unrest has been a priority for authorities in Algeria, where the middle class has been hit by soaring prices for some food products. The government has blamed speculation for the upward trend of prices, including vegetables, fruits and meat, prompting it to tighten control at markets.